Let me tell you something. TikTok has become the most easiest place to make money online right now. But when I say that, I don't mean that you're going to post one random video, it goes viral, and suddenly you're a millionaire. That's not how it works. What I mean is, there are multiple proven ways to make money on TikTok in 2025 leading into 2026. And some of them are so beginner friendly that you could literally start making money this week if you know where to look. Now, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Tim. I run a TikTok agency that's currently generating over $600,000 a month. I've worked with brands like Gymshark, Shopify, Duolingo, and I've seen behind the scenes of thousands of creators, from beginners making $100 to full-time creators pulling in 7 figures a year. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 10 ways to make money on TikTok in 2025. I'll share the pros and cons of each, giving you real examples to show you exactly what's worth your time. And by the end, I'll also reveal what I believe is the smartest way to start this year and the model that I would personally recommend if you are brand new. The first way is TikTok Creativity Program. This is TikTok's evolution of the old Creator Fund. If you remember that, it used to pay creators pennies for millions of views. It's not exactly motivating, but the new program has completely changed the game. Here is how it now works. If you have 10,000 followers or at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days, you can apply. And once you're in, TikTok literally pays you for watch time. The more people watch your videos, the longer they stay engaged and the more money you earn. I've seen creators pull in hundreds and even thousands of dollars per video just from the program. But the thing is, it only works if you are consistently hitting big numbers and views. If you're brand new and averaging 300 views a video, this won't pay the bills. That said, if you're already creating content and have a growing audience, this can be a nice income stream that stacks on top of other monetization methods. Think of it as a bonus, not exactly a business model in and of its own. The second way is live streaming. This one is pretty straightforward. You go live, interact with your audience, and TikTok gives them ways to support you financially. There are 2 ways that you can get paid there. Virtual gifts, this is where viewers can send you coins or digital gifts, think of like roses, lions, that kind of thing. TikTok converts those into money that you can withdraw. And second is TikTok Shop integration. This one is really cool. You can showcase product while you're live and people can buy them without even leaving the stream. And every sale that you make, you earn a commission. I've seen creators go live for an hour, sell a beauty product or a kitchen gadget and walk away with hundreds of dollars. Some streamers turn this into a full-time gig, going live daily and pulling in 5 to 6 figures every single month. Now, the reality check is that it does take consistency. You can't expect to go live once to a dozen people and retire. But if you enjoy interacting and answering questions and building a community in real time, TikTok Live can be fun and profitable. The third way is affiliate marketing through TikTok Shop. This is where things get really beginner friendly because you don't need to own your own product, hold inventory, or deal with shipping. Instead, you partner with brands that are already selling on TikTok Shop. You basically pick a product that is listed on the affiliate marketplace. Maybe it's a skincare serum, a kitchen gadget, a trending fitness accessory. You make content around it, tag the product in your video, and whenever someone buys through your video, you earn a commission. Some products pay 10%, others pay 20 to 30%, and if you land a viral video, those commissions can add up really fast. I personally have made over $2 million with TikTok affiliate revenue, and I did it without a big team. Just me, a phone, and a clear system for testing and creating content. That's why I know this model works. I've lived it myself. Now, does everyone start at this level? Of course not, but even some small accounts can pull in real money. There are beginners out there who make $500 to $1,000 a month in their first month just promoting trending products. The fourth way is sponsorships and brand deals. This has been around forever in the influencer world, but TikTok has made it way more accessible to smaller creators too. So brands basically pay you to feature their product in your content. That could be a dedicated TikTok video, a quick shout out, or even a long-term partnership. How much you make depends on 3 things: your niche, audience size, and engagement rate. One important thing here is negotiation. A lot of creators undercharge because they don't realize the value of their content. Brands aren't just paying for your audience, they're paying for the video itself, which they can then repurpose as an ad. So, if you want to tap into sponsorship, you want to build a media kit, tracking your engagement rate statistics and being confident in your rates. This model is best once you've already built some following and credibility, but it's worth keeping in mind because it can become extremely lucrative. The fifth way is selling your own products. Now, TikTok is one of the best discovery engine for e-commerce. If you've got a physical product, whether it's clothing, supplements, beauty products, or even digital tools, you can list it on TikTok Shop and start selling directly through your videos. The big advantage here is TikTok's algorithm. If your product hits the right audience, TikTok will push it like crazy. That's why you see all of these TikTok made me buy it products trending every single month. However, there is a caveat. Selling your own products does take more work. You've got to handle manufacturing, fulfillment, and customer support. The upside, however, is that you keep the biggest margins. And TikTok is leaning heavily into commerce. They are rewarding sellers, giving discounts, and pushing TikTok Shop aggressively. So if you've ever dreamed of building a brand, now is one of the best times to do it. The sixth way is offering services or coaching. This is less about entertainment and more about positioning yourself as an authority. If you have a skill like fitness training, design, trading, marketing, or even career advice, TikTok can become your main client acquisition machine. And here is how it works. You create short, valuable videos teaching something that you know. People who resonate with your style click the link in your bio, and from there, they can book a call, join a group, or sign up for one-on-one coaching. What's really cool about that is that you don't need millions of views. In fact, you shouldn't have. You just need the right type of views. I've seen coaches land $1,000 clients off of videos that got 5,000 views. The price points here are higher than sponsorships or affiliate commissions, which means even small audiences can generate serious income. The trade-off is that you have to show up. Coaching is not passive. But if you already have a great skill, this can be one of the fastest ways to monetize on TikTok. The seventh way is TikTok series. This is TikTok's built-in feature for selling premium content. You can package up videos that's up to 20 minutes long into a paid series that people can buy directly on TikTok. Think of it like selling a mini course without ever leaving the app. I've seen fitness creators selling workout programs for $15 to $30, language tutors selling lessons, or even niche hobbyists selling their tutorials. The advantage here is the simplicity. TikTok handles the payment, the hosting, and the delivery. You just make the content once and you can sell it over and over. This is best suited for educational content or anything people have to learn step by step. And while it might not be as lucrative as selling full-scale courses, it's one of the easiest ways to dip your toes into digital products. The eighth way is running an agency, and this is what I actually do today. A TikTok agency is simply a service business where you help brands or creators grow on the platform, whether that is through content creation, ads management, or strategy. Agencies have been around for the longest of time, before even TikTok existed. It's one of the most traditional online business models out there. But now, with the leverage of TikTok, it's taken a whole new life. And here is why. Brands know that they need TikTok, but most of them don't know what it actually takes to create content, run ads, or build a consistent presence. That's why agencies come in. You offer a service, whether it is content creation, ad management, influencer outreach, or strategy, and the businesses pay you to handle it for them. The best part is that agencies are low cost to start. All you really need is a laptop, some Wi-Fi, and the ability to deliver results. When I first started, I was charging a few $1,000s a month per client. Fast forward to today, my own TikTok agency works with over 150 clients and generates over $600,000 every single month. It didn't happen overnight, but it shows you the potential of this model. If you're someone who is more service-oriented, or you like the idea of building a team and scaling operations, an agency can be a very sustainable path. And TikTok has made it easier than ever to find clients, because every brand is scrambling to figure out how to stay relevant on this platform. The ninth way is dropshipping. This is where you sell product from suppliers without holding inventory. When someone buys from your store, the supplier ships it directly to the customer and you keep the profit margin. TikTok has become the best platform for testing dropshipping products because of how quickly things can go viral. You run ads, get instant feedback, and if a product clicks, you can scale that fast. The advantage is speed. You can launch a store within a day, test products, and start seeing results within a week. The downside, though, is competition. Dropshipping is crowded and margins can be thin. But if you test it as a way to test markets and eventually build your own brand, it is still a really good model. And finally, we have number 10, my personal favorite and what I believe is the best starting place for beginners in 2025, UGC, or user-generated content. Here is why. UGC is what brands pay you to create content for them, without needing you to post on your own account. Think product reviews, tutorials, unboxing, or lifestyle videos featuring their products. This model is exploding right now because brands desperately need fresh, authentic content to run on their ads. And they don't care if you have followers, they just care that you make the videos look like it's native to the platform. I've seen complete beginners land $200 deals for a single video, and more experienced creators charge $500 to $1,000 per video. And once you become good, you can sign monthly retainers with brands for consistent income. The best part is you can start with nothing, no following, no expensive gear, just your phone and some creativity. That is why I recommend UGC as the smartest business model to start with. It's low barrier to entry, high demand, and teaches you the video skill that you can transfer into every other model that we just talked about today. Now, if UGC is something that you're serious about, I've built a full mentorship program that walks you through exactly how to get started, land your first deals, and scale with it as a full-time business. The link is down below if you want to check it out. And so, these are the top 10 ways to make money on TikTok in 2025. Keep in mind that they all work. It just depends on your goals, skills, and how much time you're ready to invest. But if you're brand new, I'd start with UGC. It's the lowest barrier to entry, the highest demand, and the fastest way to get paid to create content. And if you want to go deeper, I've created a 2-hour free masterclass where I break down exactly how I built an audience of over 3 million followers on TikTok, and the same strategies can apply to you. You can watch that video right here. I'll see you on the next one.